Yo, what's up guys? Nandito tayo ngayon sa Melianas. Suswerte no, bukas na. Yun, maaga dumating yung bantay. Kasi mostly ako ang nag-aantay sa kanya. Suswerte. Yes guys, good morning. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Melianas Gym. Nandito yung mga bike sa labas. So guys, solo lang ako nagbubuhat. Walang katao-tao maliban sa bantay. So solo ko ngayon yung Melianas Gym, yung iron grip. So solong-solo ko ngayon guys. Kaya samahan niyo ako rito magbubuhat sa umaga. Kasi nga nakakaano mag-isa. Yun o. Sa mga baguhan, meron tayong pag susundan nyo kung anong program na uunahin nyo. Ayan. Hanggang day 8 yan. So meron tayong ceiling fan. May mga electric fan din tayo pag nainitan kayo. Ayun. Ayan. Sa mga gamit, marami po tayo yan. So nag-upgrade tayo guys, nagpipintura tayo para magbago-bago naman yung kulay ng gamit natin. So yun. Sa mga dumbbell guys, hindi kayo mabibitin. Ayan, marami yan. Sa mga plato, yun, marami yan guys. So pansin nyo guys, ako lang mag-isa rito. Mag-alas 10 na, wala pang katao-tao. Kaya sulong-solo ko ang gym. Hindi ako nakipag-agawan sa mga gamit guys. Ayan.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. Don't be scared. Just give me up. Don't be scared. To my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math. When I hate, I attack. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just give me up. Don't be scared. got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay, cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency, a message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me, respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe, I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet next to me. I don't give a fuck what you say, yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say, yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Coming out with a statement. You really changed, man, all your music and arrangement. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate. For taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it, get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future. We all start losers. We're all late bloomers. Gotta struggle through the sewer. What you say? Yeah, I'ma do shit my way.
Guys, tapos na tayo magbuhat. Yeah, nakapag-legs na tayo. So, hindi lang ako mag-isa guys. Dalawa na kami. Dalawa na ako. Kanina mag-isa lang ako. Ngayon dalawa na kami guys. Yan. So tapos na tayo guys.